Arene kadzina ahire yo kwaburo kwizoba lya nyuma baziyo obwabire na rambura projects za Gavumenti ekozire eziri ahansi y'istongole cha UNRA omuri enguuto eya Rukungiri chihisha shakanungu ehereze kuterwa koransi
enguuto ntuzikora ekitrek kitwakora mu enguuto zire ntungu erekena yo kuzahweka abatuarist attraction tureba kuno batinga obutare buri Rukungiri nari tungamo nari ombitroke binde bya Uganda so murimo kwita no kubaha enguuto mu gikozese erikiko zahweka buri mukoro
kadzina nagira ngo enguuto takakozurwe emotoka zikaba zimarisha hishatu aha muhanda konka kwiha Gavumenti eritera koransi ate emotoka nizimarisha hemwe yonka okurga Rukungiri okwikisha shaha boda ya Uganda na Congo
urubuto rwo gutwazandika imotoka kandi zimarisha hishatu aha muhanda ate emotoka zimarisha hemwe n'estre abamwe nabo batendezaho bashikanisha hemwe ko hano bava ku istretera accidents ekitwareba urubuto ruhikwa.
We have compared all these issues and we formed an addendum, but we needed a lot of money. This project's money has been exhausted, but the Minister of Finance is aware. We have organized the next budget out of that money. If we get all the money, we shall do this thing before.
Yes, on the gravel network we have our stations that are responsible for specific network in the area. For this area is under Kabale station. So we have every quarter releases to the stations. They have equipment. We also support them sometimes with the special equipment.
Abebembezi ba districts za Kanungu na Rukungiri basimire Gavumenti habwo murumo murungi ogukozurwe bagumize ngo enguuteji neza kutungura ibyanga byabo.
Aho buntu buke umutaka kozirwe kuto tuzuma kagabantu kira munonga gagagiraho design yo gudwari zo korwa mbona bikitongere cya UNRA bakishobora ko kwija kubana bukorwaho.
The road from the roundabout up to here is not part and parcel of that arrangement. This one is a UNRA road which we agreed that should be treated separately under UNRA.
Enguuto ya Rukungiri chihisha shakanungu ino buringwa bwa kilomita 58 n'icweka kandi ekozurwe sente ku rugo mu Gavumenti ya Uganda na Africa Development Bank. Umurumo gwo kuri urwutoro gukatanduka mu mwaka gw'2018 urwahwa umwaka gw'2023 hat contractor arumunama riro buntu buce amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdulkarimu.